Hi everyone. In today's video, we are going to be talking about more string functions in Python. We have three more functions to learn in today's tutorial. Len function, print function, and format map function. The len function in Python is a built-in utility that returns the number of items in an object. I have one string with me. I'm going to count the length of this string value. So I'm going to take one variable length and we'll take a len function that is a built-in function in Python. Here we have to pass one argument and we will see length of the given string will be printed on the output window. It is 17. You can also use this len function to check whether given string is empty or not, right? So this is a code snippet which is actually checking the length of this string. If it is 0, then we are printing string is empty. Else we will say string is not empty, right? So this kind of logics sometimes we need to implement on our program. We may have a list object as well, right? If we want to count the items in the list, that is also possible. This is a list object that is a type of string items. If you want to print the list, that is very easy. But if you want to get the length of number of items in the list, that can be done with the help of len function. I'll be using len and I'll pass fruits object to the len, right? In the program, you will see its count would be 3. Many a times we have to use this len function in for loop. So here is the scenario. I'm taking a one range function to start with 0 index and I want to continue my loop till end of the length of this root object. Okay? And you can print its item like this. In the program, you will get all the items in the output window one by one. Okay? Let's see what is print function in Python. So this print function is to display various type of data in Python. How? As you can see, this print function we are using for getting the length. Okay. If you want to print any message, we can say hello Python. Any message you can pass in this print function, it will display on the console. Multiple arguments can also be used with this function to show the output in a single line. Okay. For example, I am saying age is 30. You can see this would be a single line only. However, you have passed two type of arguments. One is a string, second is a integer type value. Okay. In the program, you can see the output in a single line. String concatenation can also be done with this method, right? Let's say I'm taking one variable, the name is John, right? Here I want to append this variable value to the print function. We'll say hello John. Okay, this way we can append any variable value to the print function that is called concatenation of strings. Okay, for in the program we'll see hello John, or you can put the same thing in other variable as well and just print this message. This way you can also get it worked. Okay, so string formatting can also be done with help of string.format function. It's a cleaner way to format complex string. For example, if you see I have a age variable, its value is 40 and what I want to append this value inside this message. Okay, so I have used a placeholder, these braces, open and close. Okay, and in the format function, I have passed this value. So what it will do, it will append this value into these braces. Okay, when this print executes, it replaces these braces with the actual value of this age variable, right? So in the program, see you are 40 years old. Okay, you can use f string for other formattings with print function. We have other example, and this score we wanted to print in percentage form. So that is called a f string formatting in print function. If you're in the program, we'll see the message your score is 90%. Changing the separator between items. So it separates multiple items with the separator value. Okay. Our code snippet, there are multiple items, Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday as an different argument. But the separator will separate these different value in a single string. Okay. If in the program, we'll see all three values with comma separated. Right? When you change it, it will separate it with this colon. You see? Let's see how to redirect the output with print function. Okay, for example, we have a txt file on some location and we wanted to read the information from the file with help of print function. We want to display that information on the console. What we will do? We will use with open function we will pass a file name. Let me I have a invoice 0.txt on the same location from where I am running this program. Okay, I'll open a mode that is read and we will say as file and then we will print all information from this file with help of this read function. So all the information from this file will be read and displayed to the console. You see, this is a test file, account is settled. If you see this file, I can show you the file invoice0.txt. You see, this is text which is written. Okay, let me add some text here, test1, and save the file, Control S, close the file and run the program again. You will see that message will also be displayed which we have just added. We can also write some text into the same file with the help of write mode. Okay, what we are going to do, we are going to use the same function. Okay, now mode would be the W. Okay, and instead of file or read, we will just put some message. Let's say hi Python, and our file parameter will be used, and then this file object we can pass here for this argument. If you run the program, then you will see this message will return only hi Python because this message will overwrite all the text into this file. Okay, and then we will retrieve the same text from this file with the help of read mode. If you run the program, we'll see only hi Python is displayed. If you now open the file, you will see only hi Python is written. Okay, let's remove this code. If you want to use the AND argument with print function, now we are ending the line with this particular character or a string, right? If you're in the programs, you will see in the same line, we will see hello and Python, including this AND value. Okay, you see, instead of new line character, it will override that character with this value. What is format map string function? This function takes a single parameter which is the input dictionary and returns the keys value. I have a code snippet where I have taken a dictionary object. So what we are doing here, we are using a format underscore map function which is taking a dictionary, right, as an input, and then this input will be replaced in this placeholder. X will be replaced with 10 and Y will be replaced with 20. For in the program, we'll see coordinates are 10 and 20. Okay, you can use as many key as you want. Okay, if you don't want to use Y, just leave it and run the program, so it will also work. Okay, I can give you one more example where I have a different type of dictionary wherein one key is containing a one list object. You see, if you want to refer any of the item from this list object against this key, from this key we are taking a item from zero index, that is Python. And then same thing we are doing here. In the version key, we are taking this first index value. Okay, if you're in the program, you will see Python version 3.13 released. You can just say 1 and it will show you the value that is 9 from here. I hope these three methods will help you in your assignments and projects.
That brings us to the end of the today's video. We hope you found it informative and engaging. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content on all things tech related. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next video.